Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can download a file from your Mega App account back onto your device. So let us guide you through this. So exporting your files or saving them on your device works the following way. Make sure that you access the Mega App, for example via the web version or desktop app. I'm in the web version now. Log into your account and click into either Media or Cloud Drive. That's up to you. I will go to the Cloud Drive. Then select the type. You can narrow down your search, for example, look for folders, images, videos, or leave it like that to see all files in your storage, right? So then what you want to do, guys, is either click into that checkbox in the top left and select this option here, download, or click into these three dots in the bottom right corner to access the more actions here, over a mouse over download, and choose one of these options, standard download or in a zip file, or through the Mega Desktop app if you have installed it on your device, right? So let me go with the standard download, and you will see the transfer to your device in the given file format with the JPEG, the file size, the status, and here, guys, if you click into this button, it will redirect you to the download folder on your device, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.